Inflation. It's the word on everyone's mind. Prices have soared, budgets have tightened, and many Americans are wondering, when will relief come? But what if I told you that behind the headlines, there's a silver lining? The U.S. economy is evolving, and while challenges remain, positive trends suggest a brighter future ahead. In this video, we'll break down why the worst may be behind us, how new economic shifts are creating opportunities, and what this means for you and your financial future. Stay with us to uncover the optimism that mainstream media often overlooks. Introduction. Inflation has been a persistent challenge in the U.S., driving up costs for everything from groceries to gas. But while high prices have put a strain on American households, the economy has also shown remarkable resilience. Key indicators suggest that inflation is cooling, wages are rising, and the economy is adjusting to create a more stable future. In this video, we'll explore the key factors that paint a more positive picture for the U.S. economy, including the impact of new policies, technological advancements, and shifts in consumer behavior. Understanding inflation. What happened? To appreciate the progress being made, it's essential to understand why inflation surged in the first place. Several key factors contributed to the rising cost of living. Pandemic-driven supply chain disruptions. The COVID-19 pandemic caused global supply shortages, leading to price hikes in key goods like semiconductors, automobiles, and building materials. Increased consumer demand. Stimulus checks and pent-up demand led to a surge in spending, outpacing supply. Energy price fluctuations. Oil and gas prices soared due to geopolitical conflicts, particularly the war in Ukraine. Labor market shifts, worker shortages, and wage increases contributed to rising costs in many industries. While these factors created short-term economic instability, the U.S. has taken major steps to address them, and the results are promising. Why inflation is cooling down Federal Reserve interventions. The Federal Reserve has been actively managing inflation through interest rate adjustments. Recent data suggests these measures are working, as inflation rates have begun to decline. Supply chain recovery. Global supply chains are stabilizing, reducing the shortages that initially drove up prices. Energy prices are normalizing. Oil prices have decreased, leading to lower fuel and transportation costs. Slower consumer spending. As Americans adjust their spending habits, businesses are responding by stabilizing prices. Housing market adjustments. While home prices surged, the market is balancing out with increased inventory and cooling demand. All of these factors indicate that inflation is on a downward trend, providing relief for businesses and consumers alike. Positive economic indicators. Despite challenges, the U.S. economy remains one of the strongest in the world. Here's why. Job growth and low unemployment. The U.S. job market remains robust, with unemployment rates near historic lows. Wage increases. Workers are seeing wage growth, helping to offset the impact of inflation. Booming innovation and technology. Investments in AI, renewable energy, and automation are fueling new job opportunities. Resilient stock market. Despite volatility, long-term trends suggest steady growth and investor confidence. Government investments in infrastructure. New legislation is supporting infrastructure projects, creating jobs and boosting local economies. What this means for you with inflation. Cooling and economic resilience growing, there are plenty of opportunities ahead. Here's how you can take advantage. Invest smartly. With markets stabilizing, consider long-term investments in sectors poised for growth. Career growth opportunities. Industries such as technology, clean energy, and healthcare are expanding rapidly. Housing market timing. As home prices stabilize, buyers may find better deals in the near future. Small business growth. Lower inflation means lower operating costs for entrepreneurs looking to start or expand businesses. Better financial planning. With a clearer economic outlook, it's easier to budget and plan for major life expenses. Conclusion: the road ahead. While inflation created difficulties for many Americans, the U.S. economy has proven its ability to adapt and recover. With stabilizing prices, job market strength, and new investment opportunities, the outlook is far more positive than it may seem. The key is to stay informed, remain adaptable, and seize the opportunities that come with economic change. What do you think? Do you see positive signs in the economy? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the financial world.